Hey everyone, Institution Awesome here with another fantastic tutorial for the wonderful SWatchdog plugin. In this episode, we will be taking an in-depth look at understanding SWatchdog's multi-parameter time format. Understanding time is meant for whenever you find yourself wondering what the heck this means and what it's really supposed to be. This is a logical time format, following the order of hours, minutes, days, months, then years. The minimum required input values are hours and minutes. The rest are optional but must follow the order as I just stated. This is somewhat quicker to use than those complex parameters like this because 1. You have the same time format as sniffing results are displayed in, so you don't have to think how long ago did this happen, and then turn whatever crazy value it gives you into hours and minutes or anything like that. You're only inputting numbers and white spaces, which is much faster than typing symbols that require shift or replacing white spaces with characters or character combinations. And lastly, it's impossible to mix up a lowercase m and an uppercase m. The only downside is remembering the format itself, which in all actuality isn't that hard. So say for instance, we wanted to check today's X-ray stats for a certain player. All we would need to type is WX-ray player 00. This may not make much sense at first, but let's think of it the way SWatchdog thinks of it. So we type the command in, and SWatchdog will begin to look at everything that has happened after the 0th hour and the 0th minute. That is, every single hour and every single minute that has come to pass so far today. This is the exact same parameter set as 0, 0, 15, 7, 2013. But SWatchdog, the awesome plugin that it is, will automatically use the last 3 parameters as the current date if none are specified. The same goes if we wanted to look at someone's stats for the past month. We would only have to type an additional 0 to specify the entire month. So say we wanted to check the X-ray stats for the past 10 minutes of a certain player. Assuming the server time is now 1600, all we would need to type is WX-ray player 1550. As you can see, this gives us the X-ray stats for this player for the past 10 minutes. This is the only incident in which you need to understand how to use a clock. It should also be noted that wundo places the first set of broken blocks that fit the criteria at or after the inputted time. wredo places the first set of placed blocks it finds at or after the inputted time. This can be useful in the rare occasion that a manually built castle was lost due to a world edit crazy admin. The only downfall is that chest contents are lost. Also, wclean removes every placed block that fit the criteria at or after the inputted time. The time format is the same throughout the entire SWatchdog plugin. This makes it simple and easy to understand the time format of SWatchdog.